Can you bring that to Mommy, please? Is that a little bit heavy? How about the other one? Can you bring Mommy the other one, please?
Look at this book. Look at this book. Oh, sweet. Where did you get that?
Good job. Thank you. Put it on there. Would you like a Sharon? Yes. Good job. That was good saying yes. You want to hold it up here?